Hi, I'm Indiana personal injury attorney David Holub. What exactly is a roof crush case? Good question. Auto manufacturers have an obligation to comply with safety standards when they manufacture and sell vehicles. Not all standards apply to all vehicles. Roof crush cases focus on whether a particular vehicle was designed and made to withstand the crushing in of the vehicle roof during a rollover type collision. Typically, this type of rollover case involves an SUV or pickup truck. Engineers and crash investigators need to compare the regulations that apply to the strength of the roof in a damaged vehicle to see if the vehicle was designed and made in compliance with such regulations. Typically, the regulations being reviewed are similar to regulations that deal with front impact, side impact, and corner impact situations, which are used to test vehicle crashworthiness. These cases are difficult sometimes to prove. Attorneys need to review automotive design and testing records. A key question is whether the manufacturer tested its design. In some situations, attorneys have found that a car manufacturer was aware of a safer design, but rejected the safer design because it cost a little bit more to build. We frequently addressed automotive design case products liability cases, and there are questions about how all the vehicle components performed during a car crash, for example. Did a seat in the vehicle break free from the bolts holding it to the frame during a crash? Or did some other component fail which led to a serious injury at the time of a rollover? If so, did the car maker purposefully decide to cut corners on safety? Does such cost-cutting account for the injuries suffered? We have at last count more than 80 informational videos on our YouTube site and on our website. We encourage you to search the search page at the lower left corner of each one of our web page, where you'll find an ability to search for videos that we've posted online, as well as our blog posts and other informational posts.